viewers, welcome to another episode of our mathematics series. Today we shall be looking at fractional equation. This is a type of equation in which one or more terms is a fraction. Okay? In this type of equation, we can get one or two or more fractions in it. So to solve this problem, we shall be looking at some techniques that are very unique, mostly using the LCM of the denominators. For example, we have to solve problems that goes thus: simplify the following. Number one says we should solve x over 2 plus x over 2 plus x over 3 equal to 5. For example, we have this as our number one. This is a typical example of fractional equation. Okay? Next one is 2 over 3. Let's call it number 2. 2 over 3. Okay? 2 over 3 minus 1 over y. Alright? Minus 1 over y equal to 5 over y. Alright, number 3. Number 3 example says we should solve 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2. Okay? 3x minus 2 all over 2 minus 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 all over 3. All equal to 2. And number 4 said we should solve 5x over 2. 5x over 2. Okay? It's a fraction. Plus x plus 5. Plus x plus 5. All over 5. Equal to 3x minus 1 over 2. 3x minus 1 all over 2. And number 5. Number 5 says we should simplify 2 bracket open 3x. Okay? Minus 2 all over 5. Okay? Minus 4 bracket open x minus 2 all over 3 equal to 0. So this is what we have today to solve. Alright, let us start solving without wasting much of our time. Solution. Number 1, we are to get the values of that unknown x. X over 2 plus x over 3 all gave us 5. Now, to solve this problem, we are going to use this method. We're going to use this method to solve it. Okay? To solve an equation containing 2 or more fractions, first eliminate the fractions by multiplying every term in the equation by the LCM of the denominators. Then solve the equation as usual. Alright. To solve this problem, let us get the LCM of 2 and 3. The LCM of 2 and 3 is what? 6. The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Alright, we have gotten this. Then we are going to multiply each of these fractions by 6. Remember, we have x over 2 plus x over 3 equal to 5. So we multiply this by 6, multiply this by 6, and multiply this by 6. Alright, 2 here, 1, 2 here will give us 3. 3 here, 1, 3 here will give us 2. 3 times x is 3x, plus 2 times x is 2x. 5 times 6 will give us 30. 3x plus 2x gives 5x, equal to 30. Divide both sides. Divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 5. Divide both sides by 5. So we have 5x equal to 30. Here divided by 5, here divided by 5. 1, 1. X is out. 5 in itself 1, 5 in 30 will give us 6. So the value of our x is 6. We have obtained our answer for question 1. We turn over to question 2. Question 2 says we should simplify 2 over 3 minus 1 over y equal to 5 over y. Alright, what is the LCM of 3y and y? The LCM will be the LCM of 3 and y is 3 times y, 3y. So this is the LCM. Okay, unlike we obtained here, the LCM is 6. So the LCM is 3y. So we're going to multiply each of these fractions by 3y. So the first one will be 2 over 3 minus 1 over y equal to 5 over y. Times here by 3y. Times here by 3y. And times here by 3y. When you do this, you will notice that 3 cancel itself 1. 3 cancel is 1. Y times 2 will give us 2y minus. Alright, next is y cancel here 1. Then we have minus 3 remaining because 3 times 1 is 3. Okay, this cancels 1. This cancels will give us nothing left 1. So 5 times 3 is 15. Now I have negative 3. Then I'm saying add 3 to both sides. Add 3 to both sides because I want this 3 to leave. Add 3 to both sides. When I do that, I have 2y minus 3 plus 3 equal to 15 plus 3. Alright, having reached here, minus 3 plus 3 becomes 0. I am left with 2y equal to 15 plus 3 is 18. Then divide both sides. Divide both sides. Divide both sides by the coefficient of y, which is 2. This will now be 2y equal to 18 divided by 2 divided by 2. In this one, 2 here 1, 2 here will give us 9. So the value of our y is 9. This becomes our answer. Okay, this question 1 and 2 solved. Next is question 3. Alright, let's solve question number 3. I would like to erase this part of the board. Okay, if you are finding any of these difficult, please pause the video and repeat it all over again. You will understand it better. Okay, question number 3 says we should solve 3x minus 2 all over 2. Okay, minus 2x plus 1 all over 3 equal to 2. Get the LCM of the denominator. The LCM of our denominator here is 2 and 3. The LCM of 2 and 3 is none other but 6. Okay, 2 times 3 6, or you can use the LCM method to get it. So the LCM for the denominators is what? 6. Okay, use it to multiply each of these fractions. Then we have 6 times this fraction is 3x minus 2 over 2 minus this will be 2x plus 1 over 3 times 6 all equal to 2 times 6. Alright, 2 in itself 1, 2 in 6 will give me 3. So 3 multiply 3, 9x. 3 multiply 2 minus 6. Okay, 3 here 1, 3 here 2. 2 times x will give me, okay, let's leave it like this. 2x plus 1 multiplied by 2 equal to 2 times 6. 2 times 6 will give me 12. Alright, from here, 2 times this will give, okay, let us write it down. 9x minus 6 minus, okay, this will give me 2 times 2, 4x. 2 times 1 plus 2, alright, equal to 12. Having reached this far, what I will do next is to open up this bracket using this negative 1. So I'll have 9x minus 6 times this negative 4x times this negative 2 equal to 12. Okay, having reached here, I'll collect like terms, collect like terms. Okay, when I collect like terms, I will have 9x minus 4x minus 6 minus 2 equal to 12. 9x minus 4x will give me 5x. Alright, minus 6 minus 2 will give me minus 8 equal to 12. Alright, add 8 to both sides. Add 8 to both sides. Okay, I will add 8 to both sides. And let me erase this one on the board so that we can complete number 3 here. Okay, so add 8 to both sides. We are going to have 5x minus 8 plus 8 equal to 12 plus 8. Minus 8 plus 8 becomes 0. So I have 5x equal to 12 plus 8 is 20. Okay, having reached here, I will divide both sides by the coefficient of x. Divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 5. Divide both sides by 5. So I have 5x equal to 20. Divide here by 5. Divide here by 5. In this one, x is equal to 5 in this one, 5 in 20 gives 4. So the value of our x is 4. So this becomes our answer. Question number 3. Question number 4 says we should solve 5x over 2 plus x plus 5 all over 5 equal to 3x minus 1 all over 2. You know how we do it? We get the LCM of the denominators. The LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. So 10 is the common number that 2 and 5 can be able to divide. So we're going to use this LCM to multiply each of these fractions. So for the first one we have 5x over 2. Second one we have x plus 5 over 5 equal to 3x minus 1 over 2. So for this one we multiply by 10, which is the LCM. Multiply this by 10 and multiply this by 10. When we do this, 2 cancel itself is 1, 2 cancel 10 is 5. 5 cancel itself is 1, 5 cancel 10 is 2. 2 cancel itself is 1, 2 cancel 10 is 5. So we are going to multiply 2. 5 times 5 will give me 25x. Plus, okay, 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 5 is what? Plus 10 equal to 3x times 5 will give me 15x. Okay, having reached here, I will erase this part of the board to complete that task. Okay, if you are not getting it, do ask question in the comment section. I will attend to you accordingly. So we have 25x plus 2x, that will give us 27x. Okay, for the other one, we have 10 plus 10 equal to 15x. Okay, Now, if you watch here, we have 5 times 3, 15. Times this will give us 5. Okay, minus 5. 15x minus 5. Now it's complete. Okay, next is to collect like terms. We can do that by saying subtract 10 from both sides. Subtract 10 from both sides. When we do that, we have 27x plus 10 equal to 15x minus 5. So we should subtract 10 from both sides. Minus 10 minus 10. So these two cancels out. We have 27x equal to 15x minus 5 minus 10 will give us minus 15. Okay. So next is to remove this 15x. We now say subtract 15x from both sides. Subtract 15x from both sides. When we do that, we have 27x is equal to 15x minus 15, right? 15x minus 15. So we are minusing 15x here. They say we should subtract it from both sides. Minus 15x here. Alright, these two cancels. We are left with 27x minus 15x. 7 minus this will give me 2. We have 12x equal to negative 15. Okay, divide both sides. Divide both sides by 12, which is the coefficient of x. So I have 12x equal to negative 15, here divided by 12, here divided by 12. 12 here 1, x is out. Alright. I have common factor here, which is 3. 3 going 15 will give me 5. 3 going 12 will give me 4. So I have negative 5 over 4, which will still give us negative 1 whole number, 1 over 4. So this is our answer. Okay, so question number 4, done and dusted. We go over to question number 5. Okay, we raise this part of the board and solve question number 5. Alright. Remember that our topic is still fractional equation. And you can see the technique we are using to make it easy for you. Alright. Number 5 says 2 brackets open, 3x minus 2 bracket closes all over 5. Okay, minus 4 bracket open, x minus 2 bracket closes divided by 3 all equal to 0. What is the LCM of 3 and 5? The LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. The LCM is 15. Now that we know that the LCM is 15, we use this LCM to multiply these two fractions and the other 0 at the other side. So we have 15 times 2 bracket open, 3x minus 2 bracket closes all over 5 minus 4 bracket open x minus 2 bracket closes all over 3 times 15 equal to 0 times 15. Alright, 5 cancel itself 1, 5 cancel 15 will give us 3. 3 cancel itself 1, 3 cancel 15 will give us 5. Okay. So now that we have this, 0 multiply 15 is 0. So 3 times 2 we have 6 bracket open 3x minus 2. Okay. Minus. Okay. We can as well do 4x minus 8 all multiplied by what? 5 all equal to 0. Okay, 6 times 3 can give me 18. Okay, I have 18x minus 12, still put in brackets. 5 times 4 will give me 20. Okay, 5 times 8 will give me minus 40. all equal to 0. Now we use the negative sign to open up this bracket. I have 18x minus 12 minus 20 plus 40 equal to 0. Okay, having reached here, we are going to collect like terms if there is any. Okay, so we collect like terms. When we collect like terms, we have 18. Okay, let's write it down. Collect like terms. Collect like terms. Alright, this becomes 18x minus 20x, okay, minus 12 plus 40, all equal to 0. So 18 minus 20 is minus 2x. Okay, this will give me plus 28. Plus 28. Plus 12 plus 28 will give us 40. All equal to 0. Okay, subtract 28 from both sides. Subtract 28 from both sides. So when we do that, we are going to obtain, okay, let's solve it here. Alright. We are going to subtract 28 from both sides. So let's see what it gives. Remember that we have negative 2x plus 28 equal to 0. Okay, so we are subtracting 28 from both sides to be negative 2x plus 28 minus 28 equal to 0 minus 28. These two goes, we have negative 2x equal to negative 28. Alright, divide both sides by negative 2, which is the coefficient of x. We have negative 2x equal to negative 28. Divide there by negative 2, divide there by negative 2. So this cancels and give us 1. X is out. Negative, negative, positive, 2 here, 1, 2 in 28 will give us 14. So the value of our x is 14, and that is our answer. Thank you, my wonderful viewers. I am Joseph Uchenna, and we have done justice to fractional equation. So do me a favor to click on the bell icon for notification and share this video, let it go viral. Click on the subscribe button if you haven't done so. Remain blessed. Bye for now.